Welcome to this video where you will learn 4 advanced level Excel functions that can take your spreadsheet skills to the next level. Imagine you are working for an electronics store and you need to analyze sales data to make strategic decisions. You have a data set that includes sales figures, product categories, and customer names. Let's explore how you can use advanced Excel functions to extract meaningful insights from this data. 1. Finding the second highest sales in the South region. You're tasked with identifying the second highest sales figure for the South region. This insight will help you understand the performance of different sales regions more comprehensively. To achieve this, you can use the large function combined with if. The formula equals large open bracket if open bracket I2 colon I11 equals quote South quote comma G2 colon G11 close bracket comma 2 close bracket. This formula helps you quickly isolate and identify the second largest sales figure for the South region, which is incredibly useful for regional sales analysis. 2. Locating the second customer who bought an electronics product. You need to find out who the second customer is that bought an electronics product. This information can help in understanding customer preferences and behavior. To do this, use the index function combined with small. The formula equals index open bracket B2 colon B11 comma small open bracket if open bracket D2 colon D11 equals quote electronics quote comma row open bracket D2 colon D11 close bracket minus min open bracket row open bracket D2 colon D11 close bracket plus 1 close bracket comma 2 close bracket. This formula searches through your data and pinpoints the second instance of an electronics purchase, providing precise customer insights. 3. Finding the customer name who ordered a camera. You need to quickly locate the customer who ordered a camera. This will help you track customer preferences and manage orders efficiently. For this, use the XMATCH function combined with index. The formula equals index open bracket B2 colon B11 comma XMATCH open bracket quote camera quote comma C2 colon C11 close bracket. This powerful combination efficiently locates the specific customer who ordered a camera, streamlining your data retrieval process and saving you time. 4. Sorting data and selecting specific columns. To reorganize your data and focus on key information, you need to sort your table based on sales figures and then select specific columns. The CHOOSECOLS function combined with sort is perfect for this task. The formula equals CHOOSECOLS open bracket sort open bracket A2 colon J11 comma 7 comma -1 close bracket comma 1 comma 2 comma 7 close bracket. This formula sorts your entire table based on the 7th column, e.g., sales figures, in descending order and then selects only the 1st, 2nd, and 7th columns, helping you reorganize and focus on key data points. By mastering these advanced level functions, you'll enhance your Excel capabilities and be better equipped to handle complex data analysis tasks in your role. Thanks for watching.